Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel order on SHEIN and get a refund. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you need to simply open your SHEIN app, and once you open it you need to now simply go to your profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. There you can find the orders option, so simply tap on my orders to see what you have ordered that you want to cancel and get a refund for. So once you tap on it, you will get your orders that is processing. So simply tap on that particular order, and once you do that you need to be redirected to this interface where you can simply cancel that order. So once you tap on cancel order option, you will need to now simply give them the reason that you want to cancel your order. So once you have given them reason why you want to cancel it and why you want refund, you need to simply tap on yes, and after doing this you will be able to simply get that item cancelled and you will get your refund within some few time that is allocated by SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.